In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant getting stuck on the loading screen on your PC. This is a common issue that can happen when the game is trying to launch but fails to load into the main menu. It could appear as an endless loading screen or sometimes even a black screen that never progresses. Don't worry. This should be quick and easy to fix. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel, as it really helps support the content. Let's get started. If Valorant is stuck while loading, there are two main fixes you can try. First, go to your Windows Start menu and type Valorant in the search bar. When the Valorant app appears under Best Match, right-click it and select Open File Location. Once the shortcut opens, right-click Valorant again and choose Properties. If you don't see the option immediately, click Show More Options and you'll find properties listed there. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Now, check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8 from the dropdown. This ensures that Valorant runs in a stable mode that works well with most systems. Next, scroll down to the Settings section and check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. These two settings are important because full screen optimization can cause display conflicts, and running as administrator ensures Valorant has permission to access all necessary system files. Once you've made those changes, click Apply, then OK, and try launching Valorant again. And in many cases, the game should now load normally without freezing on the loading screen. If that method doesn't fix the issue, let's move on to the second one. Go back to your desktop, open the Start menu, and type Services in the search bar. Click on the Services app that appears. This will open a new window showing a long list of system services that run in the background. Scroll through the list alphabetically until you reach the letter V and look for a service called VGC. This service is part of Riot Vanguard, which is Valorant's anti-cheat system. If VGC isn't running properly, the game will hang at the loading screen because it can't verify your system. When you find VGC, right-click on it and select Properties. In the window that appears, look for Startup Type and change it from Manual to Automatic. Then click Apply and OK to save your changes. If the service isn't running, you can also click the Start button in that same window to launch it right away. After that, close the Services window and restart your PC. Once your computer reboots, try launching Valorant again. The game should now pass the loading screen and open normally. If the problem continues, you can also try reinstalling Riot Vanguard from the Valorant launcher. Simply close the game, uninstall Vanguard from the control panel, then reopen Valorant. It will automatically reinstall Vanguard with fresh settings. And that's it. That's how to fix Valorant being stuck on the loading screen on your PC. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you get back into the game quickly. If it did, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe for more simple PC gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.